Here is our power supply. We have our own voltage display, and to prove it, there's a multimeter. It's about,
whoops, my bad.
Oh, flipped it backwards, but it is 52 volts or 51.7 volts within the range, and that's the power supply. We can show the properly sized. Let's move. We'll show the light. Move light so we can see it. It is. That's really hard to focus. Oh gosh. It is 30 amps. We can send a picture in as well, but you can also see it is as close as it needs to be, and we can send a picture of the size if needed. But it is 30 amps. Our control station is just a laptop. We don't need that. Just a laptop with a gamepad controller into the USB port, a mouse for the laptop, an external monitor powered by a main display port, which is right there all in the back, and the laptop and monitor are just plugged straight into a power strip. And that is all we have for our control station, so we'll just go out. Wire and entering and leaving our control station is this Ethernet cord from the tether here, which goes into the laptop up back there, and it is strained. This is the power cord. The power is also to the power supply, and they're both strained to leave by this parachute cord through a tether, which is tied here, so none of the cords can get pulled out. The other cords have no possible strain on them due to the fact they're just in this power strip. And there's no power conversion on the surface. As you can see, the power supply, which you showed earlier when it was on, just goes straight through this wire into the tether with nothing else. The 48 volts are not going anywhere else. And so one side of the ROV, you can see our shrouded propellers, Blue Robotics, and that's pretty much all there is to this side. Just hold it there. And then now we'll show you the front of our ROV. You can see right here we have our main camera tube, our manipulator, our valve turner, foam, and we have a valve in there for weight, and the two thrusters. If we go to our other side, we have our power connector tool and one of our cameras, and the other two Blue Robotics propellers. And on the back, we have our power box, where you can see all of our power electronics are nice, neatly sealed, along with the two Blue Robotics testers, and you can see our tether here, which is connected and strain relieved with a parachute cord to the robot itself. And at the top of our ROV, we have our foam, and you can see the top lid of our power electronics tube with a valve and some nuts for added weight for buoyancy and trim. And then the bottom of the ROV is this. You can see our electronics tube bottom with our waterproof connectors, our fountain tool, and all the other tools that were previously talked about. The motor for that fountain tool is sealed. It is an M200 motor from Blue Robotics.